my name is Donna and welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Mirror Needed. So today I thought I would share with you my top 12 favorite traveling products. These are my absolute go-to. I purchase them literally every single year, except for a few that are brand new to me that I absolutely love. They've become quickly a staple in my traveling repertoire, I guess you would say. Every time I'm going away or just every day in general, I need these items for my summertime travel. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm going to share with you today all my favorite travel summer products. So guys, I have with me today 12 of my essential go-to products. These are some products that I recently discovered and others that are just my favorite summertime products. So I'm going to run through them very quickly for you and I hope you enjoyed this video. So the first product is brand new. I just found it. It's the L'Oreal Everpure Scalp and Detox Scrub. For me, I have a very dry hairline. I have eczema, and in the change of different seasons, especially in the summertime, my hair can become very, very dried out and my hairline and my scalp will get very textured and flaky. And one of the things that the hair salon told me to do is that I absolutely have to detox my scalp and use a scrub. And I've searched high and low for a scrub that I've liked. And so far, this has been my literal favorite. Now, L'Oreal is one of my favorite products in general, but I never knew that they had this scrub. Maybe it's new, maybe it just came out, but it is infused with apricot seeds, so it's really a great exfoliant for your hair. So I do this maybe every other week because I don't want to irritate my skin, because every time I exfoliate, it leaves my skin very open to the elements, and it kind of like tends to bother me a little bit, so I want to make sure that I give it time to repair itself. So that's why I only do it once a week. I have a whole hair routine regimen that I do because since I had gotten COVID, a lot of my hair was damaged and I've had to work really hard and use products for my hair that I knew that was going to help it bring it back to life and repair all of the damage. So this is one of them. So if you have a dry scalp like me and you have a lot of buildup and you really need to detox and use a scrub for your hair, then this is absolutely one of my favorites. Sticking to hair care, my absolute favorite hair oil is from Way. This is like my third bottle that I've purchased. I cannot go through everyday life without this. It really helps bring that moisture back to my hair, makes it very sleek and shiny. After I usually blow dry my hair and I go through my whole hair drying routine and I use the hot iron, this really helps replenish it. The smell to this is absolutely to die for. I wish they had like a perfume that smells like this, because I would literally lather my entire body in it because it smells that good. Sometimes when I have like a little bit left over on my hands, I'll like rub it all over my arms because the smell is that good. It's just a refreshing, I don't know, I can't even describe the scent, but it's just so pure and clean and it just smells like summer to me and I absolutely love it. So this is my go-to hair product. I use it all the time, especially in the summertime. So if you have dry hair like me and you have a lot of frizzing or a lot of texturing in your hair, then this is something that you're going to want to pick up. We products in general are just so great for your hair. They are a little pricey, but they're totally worth it. Next up is my favorite body butter ever. This is the Sol de Janeiro. It kind of reminds me of the Soap and Glory body butters, but this smells even so amazing. It totally smells like the summertime. I'm almost all done with this bottle and I know I'm going to want to purchase another one. It's like halfway through already, but it really helps bring that moisture back to your skin, especially in the summertime. It smells like the beach. It smells like vacation. It smells like coconuts. It smells like just, I want to just go wherever this scent will bring me because it smells so good. So for body butter, this is my favorite product. It really helps nourish my skin, and I have a lot of like dry arms and dry knees and stuff like that and around my ankles. So this totally will work and do the trick, but it smells absolutely amazing. One of my favorite new products that I recently discovered is this Isle of Paradise Body Self-Tanning Butter. Now I have been self-tanning for a few years now. I always use the same Topaz. I absolutely love it, but the application application to that can take a few hours. Sometimes I leave it on overnight and then have to shower in the morning. But if you want something that's quick and that's going to bring a lot of color and a lot of vibrancy back into your skin, if you feel that it's looking a little dull, then this is the product for you. It's only $25 for this bottle. It is vegan, cruelty-free. It is absolutely amazing. I apply it with a tanning glove, which is what I suggest because you don't want to get that tan all over your hands. And literally within minutes, you can see how quickly the activation to this product works. I can literally see the result almost immediately, and I love it. It lasts me usually about 5 days, 6 days, depending if I am using like a loofah or if I'm shaving. Obviously, it's not going to last as long. It is not like a long-term self-tanner. For me, it does fade within 5 days, but if you're in a pinch and you want to bring your skin back to life, then this is the product for you. They also make like glow drops for your face. I would not put this on your face at all. It will definitely clog your pores. So I would use something that's meant for you to tan your face. I usually don't tan my face. I just use my foundation or my tinted moisturizer in the summer, and then I just bronze the crap out of my face. So that's usually what I do. But if you are in a pinch and you want something that's going to bring your skin back to life, then I definitely suggest Isle of Paradise. Next up, speaking about tinted moisturizer, my go-to tinted moisturizer for the summer, if I'm trying to not wear a lot of makeup, obviously I want something that's going to have an SPF in it, and I don't want a heavy foundation that is going to make me look sweaty and just dripping down when I'm at the beach, or it's just going to be uncomfortable to wear a lot of foundation when it's so super hot out. Here in New York, it's been well into the 90s, almost into the hundreds, but I know I'm going to need something for my face, and this is the CC Oil-Free Matte Foundation by IT Cosmetics. It is also SPF 40, which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It goes on like a really great full coverage foundation. It also has anti-aging and hydration in the product, so it won't dry out your face at all, and it definitely helps you with anti-aging and fine lines, which is something that we all need when you get to be in your 40s like me. But I love this product. It is very lightweight, it's buildable, and you can just use this. If I do go to the beach, I will throw a little bit of this on because it does have SPF in it. So I do always recommend wearing this in the summertime. It's oil free again, and it has a matte finish. So I love this product. I've been using this for years and years. One of my go-to primers now that I absolutely have fallen in love with is this Bite Changemaker Skin Optimizing Primer. This stuff is amazing. For me, I have really oily skin, and in the summertime I can look very greasy and very oily, and to reduce a lot of that I have to use a primer. The primer that I usually use is the Ordinary primer. I love that primer. It's so affordable. All you need is just a little bit. It has a blurring technique that really helps blur and even out your skin tone. This is for normal to oily skin. It is amazing. This is really, when they wrote Changemaker, they really hit the nail on the head, because I will not use any other primer other than this. My skin looks flawless when I wear this primer. Nothing moves. It stays on all day, and it's a really great primer. So if you have normal to oily skin like me, I definitely suggest trying out this primer. I originally got it because I got it as a free sample from Sephora, and I knew after a couple of uses I needed to get the full-size bottle. So that's exactly what I did. So I absolutely recommend this primer. If you're on the hunt for a new primer and you have normal to oily skin, then this is your guy. So for me, I love wearing false eyelashes. I have worn them in the past, especially a lot last year. I also was applying my own false eyelashes, like from Kiss and Ardell, and I absolutely love the way my face looks with false eyelashes. The problem is that I realize that I'm not great at putting them on. I really am not. I need a lot of practice, and I get very frustrated, I get hot, I get sweaty, and then the next thing you know, I am ripping off the eyelashes. And then for me to go to an eyelash salon and have my eyelashes done is very nerve-wracking for me, because I have a lot of anxiety and I lose patience very quickly. I also cannot sit still for an hour and a half. I start to twitch and then I have to go to the bathroom. So I don't know about you, but I don't have the patience to sit and get my eyelashes done. But I also got this as a free sample, and it's the Kush Mascara from Milk Makeup. Oh my goodness. I've been using this for a good 2 months now, and I knew I needed to get the full size because this mascara is amazing. It makes my eyelashes look so full, so luxurious, so fluffy. It doesn't cake. The wand never caked. Even though it was a trial size, it never caked, it never clumped. I didn't have any fallout from the mascara. I didn't have any, like sometimes when you blink a lot and the mascara hits the top of your eyelids, it didn't do that. It had no transfer. So I knew I needed to pick this up. Let me tell you, this is a pretty big, hefty mascara like container. It's 10 milliliters. I just absolutely love this. The wand looks like that's just a typical wand. It's a fluffy wand. It's not one of those plastic, like acrylic wands. I hate those. I love just a regular mascara wand. This mascara is absolutely amazing. So if you are looking for a new mascara, and this is something that's very underrated for me because I've never heard anyone talk about this Milk mascara. Really, they've never hyped this up, and for me this is absolutely amazing. So for me, my go-to scents for the summertime is anything that's going to make me smell like the beach, coconuts, or anything that has a fresh, clean scent. And for me, my go-to scent is literally a Bobbi Brown Beach. If you love the smell of sunscreen, then this is the scent for you because it smells exactly like that. Some people don't like the smell of sunscreen. It could be a little bit overpowering and maybe even annoying sometimes, but for me, I love to smell like sunscreen. I absolutely love the way it makes me feel when I put it on, and this just smells like some good old-fashioned Hawaiian tropics. So if you love that smell and you love smelling like the beach, then I suggest getting your hands on some Bobbi Brown Beach because it smells absolutely amazing. This, like, I feel like I'm at the beach right now and I slathered on a bunch of sunscreen and I'm literally laying in my sun chair and I'm waiting for the sun to hit me. Hopefully that's going to be me on Monday because I plan on going to the beach if this weather. It has been raining for 2 days straight, like downpouring. My newest favorite summer products I just picked up from Amazon. This is the box. It's from the company Tatchets. Everyone has talked about these hair clips. There are these really big banana clips. I love them. They're so strong. They really do hold your hair in place. They're not going to fall out and they're not going to damage your hair. They have like a really soft matte kind of look to them. This one came in a pack of 4. I think I paid $11.99 on Amazon Prime. So I got like pink and beige, black, and like this army green, and I absolutely love them. So these are my go-to staple hair clips now. I use them all the time, but especially like at the beach or if I'm like driving with the windows open, my hair is flying all around, and I definitely suggest this because it won't damage your hair and it won't fall out either. All right, just trying to reposition myself because my leg is hurting. Oh, please. My dog is fighting me for a spot on the bed. Okay, let's get started. So I only have 2 more products left. My next product is these gel press-on, like ready-to-wear manicure set. And I've been wearing these for like 2 years now. Ever since COVID and the pandemic hit, I wasn't getting my nails done and they looked really bad and really ratchet. So I needed something on the fly. And these have been my go-to staple. Literally, these are the best things in the summertime. Like say you're running out to do like a quick going away for the weekend type of thing, and you know that your nails are looking not so great, but you can't make a nail salon appointment. So they're just glue press-on nails. They don't damage your nails at all. For me, they last a good 5 to 7 days, depending on what I'm doing that week. If I'm like using the water a lot or cleaning a lot, they're obviously not going to last and they do pop off. But like for me, tomorrow is 4th of July. I'm holding off getting my nails done for my vacation next weekend. So tomorrow being 4th of July and I have plans, I'm going to be using these. And in a pinch, they look great. They're affordable. This box was only $4.99. This is like a matte, what color is this? Like a matte beige or taupe. I love this color. I've used a bunch of different sets. This is from the brand Goldfinger, but I have used Kiss and I have used Ardell, and I like all of them. One for me doesn't outlast the other. I just gotta kind of go by price and if I like the style. And if I like the style, then I just purchase it. And I tend to get sometimes the medium length or the long length, depending on what I'm feeling. I have gotten the short in the, I'll get the short in the French manicure set, but if I'm getting like a style like this one, I get like either medium or long, and I kind of just file them down to make them look the shape and the way I want them to look. They're really super easy to file as well, and they really don't damage my nails. So if you are in a pinch and you need something, I think these are just great for the summertime. So I picked this up on Amazon a couple of weeks ago because I was preparing to pack for our trips, and I needed something that was going to keep all of my wires in one place because I knew we were going to be bringing the computers and my cameras and everything, and I can never find any of my electronic wires. I don't know about you, but they're literally all over the house. So I found this really great case from Bag Smarts. I got a bunch of other things from that company as well off of Amazon, but I think I paid $20 for this. I got it in soft pink. The material is really easy to wipe down and wash, and it just has a zipper enclosure. It goes all the way around, and inside you could see that I have a bunch of electronics. It holds my mouse, it holds my SD cards, it holds a bunch of wires. It can even hold a mini iPad. I have my just my adapter for my Apple computer. I also have my my external hard drive in here. I have my SD cards. I just have all my electronics. I have my wires for my portable speaker, for my portable toothbrush. Anything that's going to need a wire, I just keep it in one place because it's going to come with me and I'm going to travel with it, and I can find everything in one spot. So I just think this is great if you're traveling. It's literally an essential. If you don't have anything else and you do carry like a lot of wires with you, then I definitely suggest picking this up. I will leave links down below for everything I talk about in this video. If I can find it, I will link it. If it's similar, I will link it for you. But I definitely suggest it. I have this listed in my Amazon store. If you don't know, I do have an Amazon store. It has no affiliation whatsoever right now while you're watching this video. I just put all of the products that I love and that are my favorite products in there, just in case you want to reference anything. They'll right there in my profile. So definitely I will leave a link down below for you so you can click on that and you could take you right to my Amazon store. Last but not least, for me, a really great book is something that you need in the summertime. Whether you are at the park or you're lounging at the beach or you're in your hotel room and you just want to catch up on something, grab yourself a good book. I am not like the Kindle gonna read my book on my phone type person. Like, I need to have a I need to have a book in my hand. I just love the way a book feels. And for me, I have gotten a bunch of books, and I keep saying I'm going to do a video, but it's taking me a really long time to read these books because I haven't been good with time management lately. So if you are interested in reading a book about being awesome and having an awesome life and to stop doubting yourself, then I suggest You Are a Badass. I am almost completely finished with this book. I think I have maybe 2 chapters left. This book talks to me like she is my best friend. It is written by Jen Sincero. Hold on, I have to adjust myself again. It is written by Jen Sincero, and it just speaks volumes to me because she talks to you like she's your best friend. Like, basically get your head out of your ass and stop doubting yourself. Stop using, all those words that you use against yourself to prevent yourself from living the life that you want to live. She tells you straight up forward in this book. So if you want a really good book to read this summer, I definitely suggest this. And I should take my own advice because I've been getting very down on myself about my videos, about where I'm headed. And I don't know, sometimes it just sneaks up on you and you need a little reassurance that you are great, you are fabulous, and stop doubting yourself. So definitely pick up this book. I got this off of Amazon as well. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you loved some of these products. Like I do. They are my favorite go-to, not only travel essentials, but they are my travel essentials. I go everywhere with them, but I also love them for my everyday, and they are great for the summertime. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. You're going to also want to check out my Instagram. Make sure you follow me over there. Again, we hit 100 subscribers. We're over 100 subscribers. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys really soon. But for now, bye.